Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest collagen products on the market, Vita Authority's Multi-Collagen Burn. Known for its comprehensive blend and promising results, this collagen supplement claims to target multiple aspects of your health and beauty regimen. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what makes this product stand out. The Vita Authority Multi-Collagen Burn combines not just 1 or 2, but 5 types of collagen. Types I, II, III, V, and X. This diverse blend is designed to support everything from joint health to skin elasticity. Beyond collagen, this formula includes powerhouse ingredients like hyaluronic acid, known for its skin hydration benefits, and vitamin C, which supports collagen synthesis. It doesn't stop there. Innovative additions like SOD-B Dimplus target cellulite reduction, backed by clinical evidence for effectiveness in just 56 days. For those concerned about taste, the strawberry lemonade flavor isn't just palatable, it's actually enjoyable. The powder mixes well and doesn't leave a chalky residue, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Wrapping up, Vita Authority's Multi-Collagen Burn impresses with its comprehensive approach to health and beauty. Whether you're aiming to support joint health, enhance skin elasticity, or combat cellulite, this product seems to deliver. Remember, results may vary, but based on the research and user feedback, it's definitely a contender in the collagen supplement market. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring.